For the HSE representative, you will be notified by email whenever a new report has been assigned to you. Let's look into the list of reports that have been assigned. To view the list of assigned report, go to the left side panel dashboard. In the report section, click on the unsafe condition link. Here you will see a list of all the report that has been assigned to you. Click on the eye icon to view the report details. As a HSE representative, your task is to take action regarding the assigned report. Once the issue has been solved, you are then required to update the report progress and make a request to close the report. You will need to add a remark regarding the report and an image as evidence for the solved issue. Once done, click on the Close Case button to make a close report request. Additionally, you will also have the capability to view all submitted report within your department. To view all submitted report within your department, go to the left side dashboard. In the report section, click on the department report link. Select the date range for the report that you want to view. Click on the Generate Report button.